Hi guys, I'm Mira and this is my first video blog. Yeah, I know it took me really long to post it, and I do admit that this is... First, I want to tell that this is not funny video. So if you are not interested in that, you can just turn this video off, okay? For those who are more or less interested, let's get started. So probably you've watched some of my videos about Yakutia, but if you haven't, I'm 100% sure that you've never heard about it. So today I'm going to be talking about Yakutia. Yakutia. It can be the Republic of Sakha, the Sakha Republic, and Yakutia. The Republic of Sakha Yakutia is an autonomous region which is situated in the far east of Russia. It takes 1/3 of the whole territory of Russia. Can you imagine that? As you all know, Russia is the largest country in the world, so it's huge.
But
the population of Yakutia is only about 1 million. There are about 100 different nationalities in Yakutia, including 50% of Russians and 33% of Yakuts. To my mind, the most interesting fact about Yakutia is that it's the coldest place in the world where people live. It's much colder than Canada and Alaska, so winters are really severe here. The average temperature in Yakutia is -47. But we can have -50, -52, and it will be normal too. The lowest temperature ever recorded in Yakutia was in Oymyakon, where it got to -72. Can you imagine that? 72. So as you can see, Yakutian people are really tough. By the way, we can call all people who live in Yakutia as Yakutians, but Yakut is a nationality. And Yakut people call themselves Sakha, S-A-K-H-A. So that is why the Republic of Sakha. So Sakha is a self-identification by Yakut people. As every nationality, Yakut people have their own pluses and minuses. As far as I'm concerned, the biggest minus of Yakut people is their stubbornness. Yeah, they are really stubborn. No one can make them to do something if they don't want to do it. And Yakut people are really suspicious. What about pluses? To my opinion, Yakut people are really open-minded. Some people are really nice, highly educated, and very smart. Yakut people are really intelligent and clever. So that's all about pluses and minuses of Yakut people. As we are a multinational republic, we've got lots of mixed bloods, so-called Eurasians. Eurasian means Asian and European mixed together. So mixed bloods are really beautiful. So if you're not scared about climate and really attracted to extreme sports, or beautiful people, to beautiful girls to be particular, just come and visit our republic or check some of my videos out. So that's it for today. That was me, Mira, with love from Russia, the Republic of Sakha, Yakutia.
Roma.